Hi there, this is Marissa, and today I have a new Watch Me DigiScrap video for you. In this spread, I will be using the This Is Us bundle from KimB, and I will start here by putting my papers in the background, and then once I have those spread out in a way that I like, I will start adding in the elements. One thing I like to do with my long ribbons like this is just use the lasso tool, which you just saw quickly go by there, just to trim it down so that it, fits on the page better, and it's an easy way to make an element work on your own spread. So I have a few empty spaces on the second page of my spread. So I'm actually looking here on Pixel Scrapper for some 4x6 cards, although I think some of these are actually just word art. So I've downloaded a couple, and I'm going to start with this pocket card here that says Enjoy Each Moment. And it's not quite the right color for the rest of the kit that I'm using, and so I'm just putting an adjustment layer on top and just kind of tweaking the colors here so that it better matches my spread. So this is an easy way to just kind of make even more elements work for you. And here with this word art that I've downloaded, I've just changed the color to a nice white. And then I'm just going to use here in the layer panels, I'm going to do a little blending to make it kind of fit in with the background a bit better, so it looks more natural than just sitting right there on top without interacting with the background paper at all, so kind of like it was actually stamped in there. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more, please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.